Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Helen. Thank you for joining me today. So I kind of wanted to do a little bit of a different video. It's not that different, it's just like a normal makeup video, but I noticed that lately I've been doing a lot of like glam, ultra glam looks, and so I really kind of wanted to dial it all back down and kind of do a little bit more of a natural, like no makeup look. So I am already wearing my base makeup. I figure you guys have seen me apply my makeup several times by now, so I just kind of wanted to get right into it without kind of wasting too much of your guys' time. I will post everything that I used on my face that you are not watching me put on. I'll post that all down in the description box below. I have not done blush or bronzer or obviously eyes or brows or anything like that, so I'm gonna get started now. So I'm gonna go in with the bronzer first, and I'm gonna go in with Milani's Silky Matte Bronzing Powder in 02 Sunkissed. And this is just a very nice light bronze shade. It won't be too dramatic. And I am just very lightly going to apply this to my normal bronzing areas. I don't want it to be like very heavy on the face. And I am using my Real Techniques 03 brush. That's my usual favorite go-to for my bronzer. My hair is a little bit of a mess today. I just kind of threw it back a little bit. It is my off day for shampooing, and I didn't want to have to restyle and do all that to my hair, so you guys are getting a little bit of a more relaxed do. I will also say it is the day before 4th of July, so it is July 3rd, and you will probably hear fireworks. Like right now they are going off. I apologize in advance if you do hear them. There's not much I can do about it. I did wait until nighttime. It is 11 p.m. and they're still going off, so it is what it is. Hopefully it's not too distracting for you guys. I'll have some background music going too, so hopefully that helps cover it, so you may not even notice it. I am gonna go through with my powder brush and just kind of soften any edges. I just want it to look like barely there, and I'm going to end up doing the same with blush. So for my blush, again, I'm going in with Milani's Romantic Rose Powder Blush. And this is just a really nice natural blush. It's not too over the top. And I'm very lightly going to apply this to my cheeks and just kind of bring up some color so I'm not super one-dimensional. I have also already applied eye primer. This is almost becoming like another Milani video, Milani look by accident. I just really like the blush and bronzer from my Milani video. There's the other eyeshadow palette I received, the Soft and Sultry, or not received, but purchased, that I wanted to try out today, and I figure it has some really nice neutrals in there, so I just kind of wanted to play up on those. The blush is done. Everything just looks super soft. I just did not want to go over the top. So the blush is done, bronzer's done. I already have my primer on, so now we're gonna jump into shadow. So let's see, do these have names? Ouch. They do have names. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Tantation, and I'm going to apply this all over the lid. I did just recently get a new set of brushes, so I'm kind of trying to test them out with this video, see if I like them. So I may, you may see me changing up what I'm using just because I might not be grabbing the right brush for the job. And it's just a nice neutral nude color, just act as our base. Then from there, I am going to use the color, let's go in with Smokin' Hot. And I'm going to apply this to the outer edge of the eye. And there won't be, because this is more of a natural look, I don't plan on doing any shimmers or anything like that. I just really want a natural, no makeup look. These blend out really nicely. I do like this palette. The shadows are a little dusty in the pan. It's Not really a big deal. There's not really a ton of fallout on my face or anything, so that works for me. I've really been loving the dramatic looks, but I would say those are not really a easy to attain, easy to wear look for the average person. I'm doing it because I'm having fun. It's not like I'm wearing an ultra glam look going out to the store or anything. I just wanted to do something a little more simple and a little more wearable. From there, I'm gonna go in to the color After Hours. I'm going in with a more detailed brush, and I'm going to do this kind of the outer corner, but also really kind of smoking it into the lash line. And just lightly blending that as I apply it. And I am going to kind of go through the entire lash line with that. I just kind of want to drag in where I first brought it in. I want to drag that into the inner corner without applying more product. I almost want it to be not there, like barely. I'm going to go in with the first brush I used, and I'm going to just kind of blend everything together and just make sure that everything's cohesive and everything's just kind of like dulled down a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with the color Bare It All. And I'm going to take this up on the brow bone, right under the brow. And then blend it in with that crease color as well. And back in with that more precise brush, I'm going to take Smokin' Hot again. Is that Smokin' Hot? Yeah, Smokin' Hot. I am going to put that under my lash line. And I'm not going to go all the way. I'm just really buffing it out so it's almost not there. That is the theme with this makeup look. I will say these shadows are definitely more cool toned, which is fine, but I think I tend to go with warmer tones more often, so I'm not sure if I'm loving these colors, but it does look nice and natural. Alright, so those are the eyes, at least the eyeshadow part. Next up, I'm going to do mascara. So I'm going to go in, I was originally going to go in with my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara, but this is pretty intense mascara. It does like a really nice job accentuating lashes. And so I think this time I'm going to actually go in with the Maybelline Snapscara mascara. That is this guy. This is in shade Black Cherry, so it has a little bit of a purple tint, but then that way it's not going to be like super dark, super black. You could also use like a brown mascara. And okay, I'm just going to apply this to the lashes. I like this mascara. It's definitely more of like a natural look, more of an everyday mascara. Actually experiment. I want to see if I notice a difference. I'm going to curl my other eyelashes, my other eye, and see what the difference is between the two. It's something like I don't really curl my lashes very often. When I do, I don't really notice that much of a difference, and it could be because I'm not doing it right, but I just kind of want to do a side-by-side comparison real quick, and I can go through and fix this eye with the curler once the mascara is dry anyway, so I'm going to do that. And all I do is like I'll place my lashes in there and I'll clamp down gently, like very gently, and I'll just like kind of pulse it like 10 times. I don't know if that's the way you're supposed to do it. I just know that's how I've always done it. So that's how I curl my lashes, and then I just kind of like work up the lash. So I start at the base of the lash and kind of work up as I'm going. Okay, let's try mascara on the curled lashes. you guys notice the difference between the two sides? When I'm looking, actually I'll just grab my palette. When I am looking straight up, yeah, I mean I can notice like a slight difference. I don't know that it's a very drastic difference. This mascara I do like, but it is kind of transferring onto my lid a little bit. So we have our mascara on, we have our eyeshadow on, and now we're gonna move on to lips. So for lips, I have a new lipstick by Melt, and it is in the color Rebound. So this is what that looks like. It has like a really nice, almost smells like frosting. And I am just, actually, you know what? I shouldn't use this because this is not gonna be, I'm gonna have to very sparingly use this. I actually have a better lipstick to use. Again, Milani. This is the Milani Color Statement Lipstick in Matte Naked, shade number 61. So I'm just gonna apply this to the lips. This is like almost exactly my lip color. So this is gonna be a very natural lip. Very pretty. Oh, I never did my brows. What the heck? All right, we're gonna do brows. I almost completely forgot. I am really liking the look so far, and it is very natural, but I do need to fill in my brows a little bit. So for brows, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil in Chocolate. And it's just like a super fine pencil, and I'm going to just follow my natural shape and just lightly fill in with kind of like hair-like strokes. This is like, when I do my brows, I am not very good at doing like a natural looking brow. Mine tend to be kind of blocked off. It's just how I like them. So when I have to do something natural where I'm like doing brush strokes that look like hairs, I kind of fail at it. But I'm trying. And then I'm gonna go through with the spoolie. Actually, I kind of like the brow that way. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I do like it quite a bit. I think it's a nice natural look. It's not too over the top, not glam. It kind of has that no makeup look, but you can still kind of tell I'm wearing something that's just nice and soft and not too much. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. I post new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. I am trying out something new and posting on Fridays for a couple of weeks, so come back on Fridays. I just want to see if I get a little bit more interaction, if people are more able to watch videos on Fridays rather than midweek. So we'll see. I may go back to Wednesdays, but for the next few weeks, I'm going to try out Fridays. I will see you guys later. Bye!